Hey guys, it's Vika and you're with the Modern Creatures. You may be wondering why things are looking a little bit different around here. Well, because they are. I'm actually at Kevin's workstation right behind me, which I invaded for today's unboxing. And speaking of unboxing, let's just get right down to it. You can see here we will be unboxing the realme Narzo 30A. This is the company's latest gaming-centric smartphone. So for all you mobile gamers out there, this is going to be an exciting one. Let's get right down to it. So here it is, the realme Narzo 30A. Of course, you can already see that it's not the regular yellow box we get from Realme, but instead a nice Modern Creatures blue, don't you think? Alright, so before we open the box, let's go through the features real quick. So it has a 6000 milliampere battery with 18-watt quick charge, 16.5 centimeter or 6.5 inches mini drop full screen, Helio G85 gaming processor, of course, and a 13 megapixel AI dual camera. You can also see here we have the black variant and the 4GB with 64GB storage. Let's just peel off the plastic here on the top, quite easy. And let's peel this all down. Okay. Again, here it is, the Narzo 30A. Are you guys ready? Pop, Narzo. Okay. And there we go, the sleeve is out and we're greeted with feel the power. Of course, because what do you need in mobile gaming? You need power. You guys can already see the phone there, but we'll come back to that later. Let's see what's inside. We've got your information guide and your quick guide. So if you guys want to go through those real quick, but for this unboxing we won't. And you also have your SIM ejector tool, which is right there. Okay, it's pretty standard. Let's lift this tab here and you have the Narzo 30A. We're gonna reveal the back later, so it's more dramatic that way. So I'm just gonna put this here for now. Let's see what else is inside this box. So you have your USB-C charging cable, put that there, and your charging brick. And is that it? I think that's all of it. Yep, that's all of it. So let's get on to the phone. Here it is, the 30A. So we have this in the black variant. If I'm not mistaken, there's also a blue variant, which I think is the prettier one, which I wish we had the blue one because, you know, the Modern Creatures, we are blue. It would have been nice to have, but look at that. This is a pretty interesting design. You don't really get this too often. Two contrasting designs, pretty rugged. Well, it's not rugged, it's still smooth. There's no texture to it. It's just, what do you call that? An illusion of grooves. And then you have your plain matte textured here. So far, it's not registering any fingerprints because it is matte. Then you have your fingerprint sensor right here, your physical fingerprint sensor. It looks like it's in a good position. Then your dual camera and a little Narzo branding right here. Okay, let's on this side, this is the left side of the phone, you just have your SIM card slot. Up here, there's nothing. And then you have your volume rocker and your power button. Now on the bottom, 5 points to anyone who can guess if there is a headphone jack. There is a headphone jack and a speaker and USB-C charging port. So good news for those who are still fan of wired peripherals, or maybe if you want to insert a mic or something, you have that. You can do that with this phone. So while this phone is booting up, which should be pretty quick, let me invite you guys to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you can get notified when we upload new videos. So here it is, you have your basic screen and here are some of the apps that come pre-installed. So you have your Google and your other utility apps. Here's the camera if you just want to go through it real quick. Night, video, portrait mode, and a couple of more features right there. Realme also told us that all 30A units will update to the newer software later on this year. So now that we have the 30A out of the box, let's take a look at more of its features. So that's that's it for our unboxing and first impressions of the Realme Narzo 30A. We will be doing a full review on this phone real soon, so if you guys have any questions, maybe some games to suggest that we can play on this phone, let us know in the comments below. And as always, please do visit our website and our other social media channels for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, I'm Vika. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.